So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Element TV stuck on no media device, input source, HDMI and reset. So why Element TV stuck on no media device? The error occurs when the TV cannot detect a valid signal from the selected input source or media device. This is commonly caused by an incorrect input selection, a loose or faulty HDMI cable or a connected device that is turned off. Software glitches, HDMI port issue or unsupported USB. Media file can also prevent the TV from recognizing the device. Select the correct input source. The no media device message often appears when the TV is set to an input with no connected device. Switching to the correct input allows the TV to detect and display the connected device signal. Press an input, source or TV input button on the remote. Scroll through available input HDMI 1, 2, AV, etc. Select the input where your device is connected. Wait a few seconds for the TV to detect the signal. Reconnect the HDMI cable. A loose or partial connected HDMI cable can prevent communication between the TV and the connected device. Reconnecting the cable refreshes the HDMI connection and may restore the signal. Turn off the TV and the connected device. Unplug the HDMI cable from both ends. Check for visible damage or bent pipe. Firmly reconnect the cable. Turn on the device first, then the TV. Select the correct HDMI input. Third one is try a different HDMI port. The HDMI port currently in may be malfunctioning. Switching to another port help determine whether the issue is caused by a faulty HDMI input on the TV. Move the HDMI cable to the different HDMI port. Turn on the TV. Change the input source to match the new HDMI port. Check if the device is detected. Fourth one is replace the HDMI cable. Damaged or worn HDMI cable can interrupt the video signal, causing the TV to display no media device. A different cable help rule out cable failure. Disconnect the current HDMI cable. Connect a known working HDMI cable. Select the correct input source. Check whether the picture appear. Fifth one is restart the connected device. Cable boxes, streaming devices and gaming console can occasionally fail to send a video signal. Restarting the device, refresh its HDMI output and restabilize communication within the TV. Turn off the connected device. Unplug it from power for 30 seconds, plug it back in and turn it on. Wait for it to fully boost. Check the TV for a signal. Sixth one is power cycle the Element TV. A power cycle clear temporary software glitches and reset the TV hardware component, which help it properly detect connected device again. Turn off the TV, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, wait 60 seconds. Press and hold the TV's power button for 15 seconds. Plug the TV back in and turn it on. Seventh is check USB devices. If you are trying to play files from a USB drive, the TV may display no media device when the drive is not recognized, improperly connected, or contain unsupported file format. Remove the USB drive. Restart the TV. Reinsert the USB device securely. Verify that the drive contains supported media files. Open the TV's media player menu again. Eighth one is factory reset the TV. A factory reset remove corrupted settings and restore the TV software to its default state, which can resolve persistence input detections issue. Press menu or setting on the remote. Go to system or device preference. Select reset or factory reset. Confirm the reset. Complete the initial setup after the TV restart. Thank you.